Okay, this is a '04 Kia Sedona. I'm going to be replacing the on this Kia Sedona. I'm going to be replacing the front wheel hub and lower ball joint on here. First thing I'm going to do is remove the 5 lug nuts and the center nut for the CV axle, and then I'm going to raise and support the vehicle with jack stands. Okay, I've removed the wheel jack stands. Here I've removed the outer tie rod. The next thing I'm going to do is take off the caliper and racket as an assembly, and put that aside, hanging on the bungee cord. Take off the rotor, and then I'll be taking off those 2 bolts that hold the spindle to the strut. Okay, I got the nuts for the connect the spindle to the strut off. I took off the lower ball joint bolt nut because we're going to place the control arm. So down here, that one came out nice and easy for me, so that's a good thing. So I'm going to hit these bolts out and get the drive shaft out. Okay, I got the spindle out, CV axle here. I got these 2 bolts removed, and that one up there. Take out the control arm and just take this whole out thing out as one assembly. Can't film it and do the job at the same time, so I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, I got these 2 bolts off. Bolt back there. So now the whole control arm ball joint assembly has been removed. I'm going to start a new one piece at a time. Set the control arm, this being the control arm for the new one. Set it so you get preloaded. Tighten it down, and then put on the spindle. As you see, this wheel bearing is destroyed, so that had to be replaced. And the ball joint is bad too. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. Okay, I got the new control arm installed. It's this here. 3 bolts. Next I'm going to install the spindle. This new ball joint here. Spindle here. tighten this down, and put in the CV axle and mount it to the strut here. That's what I'll be doing next. Okay, now I have the spindle ball joint mounted to the strut. The axle's in place. I'm going to install the brake system, the rotor, and the caliper with racket. That's what we'll be doing next. Now I got the brake system installed, the caliper and the rotor installed. This is one like that because the bearing was bad. But this time you probably want to install the sway bar link. This one's broke on this one, so you have to get a new one later. But install the sway bar link. Try to jack it up some, and install this outer tie rod. It still has to be jacked up to install that one. So that's all I'll be doing. I'll be lifting the suspension right here up. And there it is, the whole new wheel hub, spindle, control arm, the tie rod's installed. Just got to put the wheel on, and the job will be done. So now the wheel is installed, axle nut. You make a little mark there to lock it in, and that's the whole job of the 04 Kia Sedona.